Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by saving a backup so you can revert if needed. Once done, open the document and enable the reviewing pane to see every change. Make sure Track Changes is visible in the Review tab so nothing hides. Next, scroll through high-level edits and accept or reject any obvious insertions or deletions to simplify the list. This reduces accidental approvals later and makes the next steps faster. Keep Track Changes turned on only if you intend to continue marking new edits. Now focus on resolving the remaining edits efficiently. Use Next and Previous in the Review tab to jump change by change and decide to accept or reject each one. If you filtered the view to show only comments or formatting, use Accept All Changes shown to commit those in bulk. This prevents unintended acceptance. You can also filter by author or change type to handle categories separately. Once the document is clean of visible tracked edits, proceed to finalize the document in the next step. The final step is to disable tracking and remove any residual comments. Toggle off Track Changes in the Review tab so new edits aren't tracked. Then delete all comments using Delete All Comments in Document. Make a final pass through the reviewing pane to confirm no tracked items remain and save a new clean copy. If you still see edits, ensure you accepted all changes shown and that you filtered correctly. If problems persist, reopen the backup and repeat the accept/reject process carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.